Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2022 Isuzu MU-X and I'm going to show you where the mass airflow sensor is and how you remove and replace it. So obviously to do that we need to open up the bonnet, where we come over to the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle, open up the door, just down in the footwell we're going to pull this lever here, come back to the front of the car. Just above the Isuzu badge there's a lever that you're going to push to the left and open up the bonnet. Now we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With your bonnet safe and secure we can look around the engine bay and we're going to come over to the left hand side where you see this big black box. This is actually your air box, and then this is the induction system that goes down into the turbo. So that actually means this is our mass airflow sensor right here. We're just going to need a Phillips screwdriver and we're going to undo these two screws found on top. Before I take them fully out, I'm actually going to undo the electrical connection. Nice and easy, just squeeze that tab in there, put that down there, and now you can actually remove the screws fully. With both of the screws out, you can now just carefully retract the mass airflow sensor, which looks something like that. Now I would read out the numbers to you, but I'd actually recommend that you look at the one that is in your model just in case there is a slight variation, and then you can order the right one. If not, you can actually use your VIN number, which I've also made a video showing you where you can find that. So just place that straight back in, the same way as you took it out. Both your screws back in. No need to do them up too tight. And then we can go ahead and clip our electrical connection back on. So that's how easy it is to remove and replace the mass airflow sensor on a 2022 Isuzu MU-X. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.